quickly first take a look at all the details that have come to the forefront since yesterday. After the very shocking tragedy struck Baramati yesterday, Maharashtra is now preparing to bid farewell to their beloved Ajit Dada today. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and the NCP leader Ajit Pawar will be cremated in Baramati as the state prepares to bid goodbye to one of its most powerful and mass-connect leaders. Baramati, which remember is Ajit Pawar's Karma Bhumi, is witnessing an outpouring of grief at this point of time. From early morning, supporters, party workers, local residents have been lining up for this Antim Darshan. And as per the program, the funeral procession will be beginning at 9 a.m. and Ajit Pawar will be cremated in Baramati itself at 11 a.m. Pawar's stalwart Sharad Pawar and his daughter were seen paying their tribute along with Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, his Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, who met the Pawar family. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also expected to pay tribute to Ajit Pawar today. Prime Minister Modi has already expressed deep grief over Ajit Pawar's death in the tragic air crash, describing his demise as shocking and saddening. A leader who dominated Maharashtra politics for decades is being laid to rest today, while Baramati mourns along with the state and the nation.
Ajit Dada Pawar, Amar Rahe, these are the slogans, these are the chants that are reverberating here at Vidya Pratishthan, where you can see the iconic leader to bid him farewell, pay the last tribute to the son of the soil of Baramati. Lots of people have come here and now Sunetra Pawar and Ajit Pawar's both sons, they are right there making an announcement saying that 11 o'clock the last rites would be performed here. Before that, his mortal remains will be taken to his house here in Baramati. And here you can see behind me tractors, trucks, people coming from villages, from nook and corner of Baramati, Mumbai and across Maharashtra. Every eye is cleary-eyed and they all are bidding farewell to the hero who held so much of promise for not only Baramati but had an influence not only over Maharashtra politics but across India. With video journalist Satya Rotre, this is Mosmi Singh in Baramati for India Today.